Backwards flip. G'day everyone and welcome to another episode of Cook More with Simon. Today we're going to be doing something that everyone gets very scared about. Don't be scared. You'll be fine. We're poaching eggs. It's going to be very easy and you're going to love it. All you need is about 1.5 litres of water in an itty bitty pot, 150 mils of vinegar. We're not bringing this water to a boil. It's kind of coming to like a gentle simmer. Then we're going to take the lid off and we're going to have it just above the perfect temperature for cooking eggs. Reason being, like we said with scrambled eggs, you go and throw something cold into something hot, you're going to bring the temperature down naturally anyway. There are two ways that you can poach an egg. You can crack it directly into your pot if you feel more confident, or you can just get like a little ramekin or coop, crack your egg into your coop. You want to drop your egg in close to the water. That way it's kind of going to go nice and straight down. It's not just going to go and just like spread its wings and fly. It's a little bit early for that though, because it's an egg. So our water is having a good time. Looking at it, you want to see a couple of bubbles coming up and some steam rising up off the top. This means you've got your water just above the right temperature it should be. Technically, when you're poaching, you shouldn't have any movement in the water. But because we've got some cold eggs, we're going to drop it in. It's going to be so nice. So keep your heat on like a medium low, and this way you're going to maintain your temperature really well. We're going to do one egg cracking it in and one tipping it in. Now a lot of people be telling you that you got to spin the water around, get this like tornado happening in there. Really, that's not quite necessary, especially if you're making a poached egg at home. But what you want to do is just kind of lift them off the bottom and gently move them. Treat them very gently. See how my water's not doing a lot here at the moment? But Simon, when's my egg ready? I don't know when it's ready. The best way to tell though is by touching. We're going to grab this one here because I'm favoriting him at the moment. He's still a little too jiggly, so we're going to put him back in. This guy, on the other hand, is set. So we've got a firmer white and we've got a nice runny yolk. If you can kind of press this gently and it's still nice and squishy, that's the perfect time to take it out. Make sure he gets nice and dry while he rests for a sec. Those two took approximately 5 minutes. You could either go a little bit further if you like your eggs a little firmer, or you can go a little bit back if you like it to be like poof. Let's take a look. Oh, hello. You've got your beautiful egg sitting on a piece of everybody's toast. Look at that amazing, gooey, runny, beautiful egg with perfectly set whites. Then if you want to be real dainty about it, you just go like, I love eggs. So good. Super quick. Just go and poach an egg right now and just do it. You'll love it. It's the best thing in the world. Egg on toast. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and tell your friends, tell your family. And get back into your kitchen and cook more.